Now the next topic that we have in ratio, percentage and applications is increase and decrease percent. Now how to calculate this? I will be discussing this with the help of some examples that I've taken. Right? Let us start with the first question. The price of a scooter was 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20% of this year. What is the price now? That means the original price, I'll write the original price equal to what? That was 34,000. So this was the original price last year. Now this has been increased by 20%. So I would write here the increased price. The increased price would be equal to 20%. But 20% of what? It is going to be 20% of the original amount only. That is 20% of 34,000. Right? And how do we calculate this? 20 over 100 into 34,000. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. We get 2 4s as 8 and 2 3s are 6. Rupees 6,800 as the increased price. Now the new price. Obviously, tell me one thing. If 10% or 20% as given in the question has been increased, then this increased percentage will get added to the previous value, right? So the new price will be equal to the original price and adding the increased price into it, right? That gives us the 6,800 plus 34,000. Now what do we get by adding them? We get 0 0 8 as it is, 6 plus 4 10 and 1 4. We get rupees 40,800 as the increased price now. Second question. The second question says the price of a scooter was 34,000 last year, right? But here it has been decreased by 5%. Here it was increased by 20%. So here the difference comes in the decrease and increase part. So over here in the next question, the original amount is remaining the same only. So we will keep it as it is. The original amount equal to rupees 34,000 only. Now over here the amount is getting decreased by some percentage. So we will be required to write the decreased percentage. So I will write the decreased amount that would be equal to, how much was the percentage? 5%. So the decreased amount would be 5% of the original amount, that was 34,000. Now to find this out, we would make 5 upon 100 into 34,000. Now the zeros get cancelled. What are we left with? 0, 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 and 17. That means 1700 is the amount which is getting decreased. So what is the new amount now? The new amount would be equal to the original amount and we would subtract the decreased amount from this. So original minus decreased, that is equal to 34,000 minus 1700. That is equal to 0 0, 10 minus 7 3, 3 minus 1 2 and 3. That means the new amount or the leftover amount is 32,300 now. The third question says, on Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. So we have the data for 2 days, that is 845 and 169. What is the percentage decrease in people who visited the zoo? We have to identify, first of all, is it going to decrease or increase? The number of people are decreasing as we are moving from Sunday to Monday. So that is what we have to find. We have to find out the percentage decrease. So how do we find out the percentage decrease? First of all, we need to find out the decreased number of people. Number of people decreased. Directly you can write that would be equal to the total number that were coming on the Sunday were 845, and if you subtract 169 from this, you are left with 676. Now this is the number of people which got decreased on the successive day. Now you have to find the percentage of this part. First of all, as I discussed previously in this topic, how to find percentage. You take the required amount of which percentage is to be calculated, divided with the total amount that was the original amount, you can consider it, the original amount that was earlier, and you multiply it with 100. So over here we have the decreased number of people as 676, the original amount of people were 845, and you multiply this with 100. So when you simplify this, you would get 5 2s are 10 and 0, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8 34, 5 6 are 30, left with 4 45, 5 9s as 45. Let us try and solve this further. This can go with the 3, right? 3 5s is 15, right? Here it's not going, then we will simply multiply both the terms, that is 676 into 20 over 169. If we multiply these terms, we would get 2 6 is 12, 1, 2 7 is 14 plus 1 15 and 1, 2 6 is 12 and 1 13. So this is the number. Now you can leave the answer like this also, or you can actually solve it further, right? Similarly, the next part, fourth question says that a man got 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find the original salary. Now see, please pay attention to this question specifically, because it is saying that 10% increase in his salary, it has been done, and the new salary is being provided to you. Now you need to find the original salary. Now over here, can you identify one thing? The 10% of the original salary was the amount that was increased. Am I right? Right? And the added amount, the original salary plus the increased salary, the total new salary has also been provided to you in the question. That makes my equation actually. The new salary equation. The new salary is equal to the original salary plus the increased salary. Now original salary plus increased one. Now what am I supposed to do here? I am given two datas in the question. I have been given the percentage increase also and the new salary also. So what I'll do, I'll consider the original salary be X rupees. So I'll write let original salary be rupees X, and I will take the calculations now. They are already saying the salary is getting increased by 10%. That means 10% of X will be the increased salary now. So I'll write increased salary over here. And what is the original salary that we already have assumed to be X? So the total becomes X plus 10% of X equal to the new salary. Now what is the new salary provided in the question? That is 1,54,000. So I write 1,54,000 over here. Now solving this, we get 10 over 100 into X equal to 1,54,000. Simplifying this, we are left with X plus 10x upon 100 equal to 154,000. Taking out the LCM on left hand side, we get 100x plus 10x equal to 1,54,000. Now solving this further, we would get 110x upon 100 equal to 1,54,000. Now further solving would give us x equal to 1,54,000 multiplied with 100 whole upon 110. Now solving this, 11 gets simplified with 11 ones as 11, 44, 11 fours as 44 and 3 zeros. So what are we left with? 1, 4, 0, 0, 0 and another 0. So what is the original salary that was expected? It would be 1,40,000.